Is your external component the mc3 library DLL not found? I'm Sophie Chen, a Windows support engineer. I'm here to help you re-establish MainConcept links. Before starting the manual troubleshooting for mc3 library, you can access a utility to help standardize your system references. This is the mc3 library, the MainConcept Core 3 library. It provides localized unmanaged C++ routines for localized high-performance localized H.264 and MPEG-2 encoding and decoding, mandatory for professional localized media suites to resolve localized bitstream manifests. With that context in mind, our first logical step is a clean reinstallation. Missing mc3 library DLL data often points to a failed patch within the MainConcept integration, and reinstalling the latest version of the program where you saw the error will automatically replace the corrupted library. If no luck was had with the redistributable package, we will escalate the fix by performing a targeted reset of the system state. If your system has been running for an extended period, a reboot might be necessary to resync your background processes and clear any temporary locks on the mc3 library file. To avoid losing your place during the restart, bookmark this page now, or hit the like button to save this video to your library for easy access later. If the initial power cycle failed to restore functionality, we will now proceed to infrastructure-level support. You may pause the video now to ensure your environment is ready. A restart won't fix broken performance counters, so we'll use step 3 to force a rebuild of those links. First, open command prompt as admin. Second, you're going to type locktr/r, then hit enter. Why are we doing this? Well, performance counters often fail due to registry hive inconsistencies. By wiping and rebuilding these entries, we ensure the system can properly recognize and load the diagnostic library again. Let's look at a key safety rule that will keep your PC protected while we address this error. Be aware that manual fixes for mc3 library DLL often create more problems than they solve. Incorrect file versions can cause cascading crashes across other applications, making your PC significantly less stable than before. To ensure your system remains within verified parameters, you might choose to use an authorized maintenance path for ongoing support. If library conflicts or resource allocation issues are present, the link below provides general information on managing mc3 library dependencies. Thank you for watching. To continue receiving professional-grade solutions for mc3 library and other PC errors, please subscribe to our support community.